friends. It's Jennifer Gurnell here, and I'm excited to tell you about what you could do this weekend. So, everybody is probably looking for some exciting things, which would include purchasing a property. So, I'm hosting 3 open houses, and I've got some amazing open houses. So, I will be on Saturday, I'm doing two, and Sunday, I'm doing one. The two that I'm doing Saturday, one is in Deep River and one is in Essex. The one in Deep River is at 24 Kelsey Road. That one has two houses, count it, two houses, and it also has 25 acres. So if you're an investor or you'd like to do some sort of a subdivision, this could be the property for you. So come check it out. I'm going to be there on Saturday, as I said, and I'm going to be there from 11 to, let me see, sorry about that, 11 to 12:30. Also, after that open house, I will be doing another house at 32 West Ave in Essex. That's located right across from the library. Actually, 245 Kelsey is located right across the street. That'd be for Saturday, right across the street from Valley Regional High School. And that's where the land, very private, a great, amazing property. So back to 32 West Ave. That is going to be from 1 o'clock to 2:30. And I will be closing the door really at 2:30. So please make sure you're not too tardy. But that is a barn, very unique. It's it's a converted barn, and we've just had a price adjustment to that. So love to give you more information about that one. And the last one that I'm going to be doing will be on Sunday. And that is one of mine in Rhode Island, as I do have a dual license both in Rhode Island and Connecticut. So I'm able to help you in both states. But the one in Rhode Island is a direct waterfront. It's in Jamestown. It has a dock. It sits on a little more than 5 acres of land. It's basically a 3 bedroom home. Could use a little update here and there, but everything comes down to location, location, location. And if you're somebody who likes sunsets, this would be the house for you. So I'll be happy to provide any more information. I'm going to be at that one on Sunday from 12 o'clock to 2. And the address is 1219 North Main, Jamestown, Rhode Island. So be in touch, 860-227-1212. But you know how to get hold of me if you're interested in any of these properties or anything else in the market, or you're just curious how much your property is worth. I'd be more than happy just to sort of do a walkthrough and just give you my opinion. Be well.